Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can scan the Wi-Fi QR code on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if you want to connect to Wi-Fi by using the QR code, then let me show you what you need to do. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to go to connections and then go to Wi-Fi. Now over here in the top right corner we have the QR code icon, and we need to simply press on it in order to open the camera and find the QR code. Now over here I have example QR code. Of course this isn't the Wi-Fi QR code, but let's say it is. So what you need to do is simply aim at the QR code and then you should be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now of course in my case it says QR code not valid because, well, simply it is not the Wi-Fi QR code, as I said. It's just another QR code. So also you can use this, let me actually move this quickly. You can also press this icon over here in order to open the gallery, and then you can select the image. So if you can't take the, let's say, picture of the QR code, but you have a picture of this QR code, then you can select it from this gallery by pressing this button here on the right side. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.